Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. Today we are going to learn vocabulary with the help of synonyms and antonyms with sentences. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First of all, we will see synonyms. It means similar words. First sentence, he speaks too loudly, so his mother tells him to say things softly. So here in this sentence, speaks, tells and say, all three are synonyms. It means similar words. So this way you can use similar words in your own sentences. Second sentence, he carried the big box into the room. The manager asked him to put all the large boxes in the corner. So here big and large both are synonyms, means similar words. Next sentence, Aditi got many presents on her birthday, but the best gift was the one given by her father. So here presents and gift both are synonyms. Next sentence, Vikram always takes the easy way out, so he attempts only the simple questions. Here easy and simple, two synonyms are used. Next sentence, the man signaled to us to be quiet and pointed to the board which said silence please. So here quiet and silence both are synonyms, means similar words. Next sentence, my mother tidied the room and cleaned my study table. Here tidy and clean both are synonyms, means similar words. Same way we will see antonyms. Antonyms means opposite words. First sentence, the grocer said that the bread was fresh but it turned out to be stale. So here fresh, stale, these are antonyms, means opposite words. Next, I asked the shopkeeper for a long rope, but he had a short one. So here long, short, both words are antonyms, means opposite words. Next, my mother asked me to buy a large bag, but I bought a small one by mistake. So here large, small, both are antonyms, means opposite words. Next, the shopkeeper said that the curd was fresh and sweet, but it was really sour. So here sweet, sour. So both are antonyms, means opposite words. So friends, this way you can enhance your vocabulary. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. More is yet to come.